Hello, and welcome to my Nhs Unity application. Nhs Unity was made to make our lives easier by fixing communication issues, having data stored in one place, and taking advantage of artificial intelligence. The app has two separate logins, one for patients and one for staff. Users can either log in or skip this step for now if they are new and want to see what the app is about before signing up. On the homepage, the users can find a nice welcoming message, check symptoms, book appointments, check their recent appointment summary or prescription, and discover new information like COVID-19. If the users click on their profile picture, they will be taken to the setting page. From here, they can view and edit multiple things. One great feature about this app is the Bluetooth setting, where users can connect equipment sent by the doctor. Users can also connect other devices that share data like an Apple Watch for heart rate. If we go back to the home page, the user can select check symptoms, which will be a massive help to identify problems with the help of AI. A simple box would appear where the user would type the symptoms that they are experiencing. Once they are done, they can click on search and see common issues. Any title with a red flag means that the user should seek medical attention. They can read what the section is about, and by clicking more, they will be able to get a better understanding. By having a location tracker within the app, users will automatically be told the nearest center and number to call. This will help the NHS by sending users to the correct places. The appointment page is simple, where users can select a date to book an appointment with the doctor of their choice. The user can swipe left or right to access another month, and they can also see the upcoming and history for appointments. The chat page would provide a summary for each appointment and any other beneficial advice. The app has a bot called Unity Bot, which reminds the user of any information that they might forget. The bot would also alert users on their phone as a notification if anything important needs to be said. Within the chat, users will find all the features that they normally would in case the user is unable to video call a doctor. They can send a voice recording or an image instead. The file section would allow doctors to send any information over to the user, like a PDF document about diabetes. The More section is an area where the Bluetooth devices show up. With the permission of the user, they can share any information with the doctors, like their heart rate or blood pressure. I imagine this section as a whiteboard where the doctor can use a pen to highlight areas and move the different elements around. If we go back to the login page and sign in as a staff, you will see how I have kept the app similar but changed the information needed. Staff would have information for staff and patients where they can view any quick updates. They can also see the upcoming appointments or summary, but also see the discovery section. The pages would work just like the patient's page, but the details would be different. The appointment page would have a lot more data for the staff members to view, but I try to keep it simple and not messy. With the chat section, the staff would have to select either staff or patients. Both chats would work in a similar way, but the staff section would allow more room for features like having the ability to create group chats. Both chats will still have the Unity bot to highlight any important information like meetings or patients-related documents. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed.